Welcome! Today we will install an app onto an Android phone. From your home screen, tap on the Google Play Store. Look for the magnifying glass at the bottom. Below it will say Search. Tap on this icon to access the search bar. Tap within the search bar at the top of your screen. When the keyboard pops up, use it to enter the name of the app. Today we will install Andriod. Press on the magnifying glass on the keyboard to search. You will see Andriod and the install button to the right of it. Tap on Install, then wait for the app to finish installing. When it is done installing, tap on Open. We will now tap on the circle icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you back to the home screen. Look for your applications icon on your screens. We can see it takes the next available space. Now you can access Andriod directly through the app. For more how-to tips and tricks, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you!